gosh.
Well, like the pandemic has benefited so much.
Alright guys, here we go. Give this one a thumbs up, because it's about to go down. Yo! Oh my gosh, again! Yo! Yo! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Woo! Oh yeah! No block! Oh yeah! Oh my gosh! Woo! Man, this is so good! Oh yeah! Woo! Oh man! Dang! Woo! Alright guys, back row ride, taste of the season, Ikson minion. I keep trying to get the daytime ride, guys, but it's hard to get it because like the ops aren't bad right now. It's just it's really hard to get the daytime because of how like their opening schedule works. They open at 2 o'clock and then by the time it's like 5, you know, I don't have time to get the day. But I'll get it soon, go. We did front row. Let's see how back row is. They're barely using the block brake. We're about to drop. Oh my God! Holy crap! Wow! Woo! Wow! Oh yeah! So smooth! Woo! Oh yeah! A little bit. Oh yeah! Wow, that air! Woo! Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Wow, that helix is so intense! Woo! Hope y'all enjoyed that video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.